everybody, Assalamualaikum and Adab. It's me, Maliha binti Masud, speaking in front of you. How are you doing, guys? I'm doing excellent in this video. I'd like to share with you guys that I have come a familiar place. That is why I'm gonna make a vlog video just for blowing your. Actually, guys, it's first time to come here. It is so familiar to me, but not to you. Actually, guys, I'd like to say you guys that nowadays I'm just practicing purpose every single day for enhancing my spoken English. That is why I continue it. Yes, I can leave it, but I don't do it. I won't do it, never do it. And guys, as you can see behind me, there's a field. Actually, it's a paddy field. Here we'll cultivate paddy, one kind of farmer. So it's the middle point of this field. You'll be able to understand. And now I am staying here. After coming here, I feel so better, and the weather is so amazing. It's a winter season, but now it's the afternoon time. That is why I'm making video just for blow your mind as well as to keep my body fit as well. Actually, guys, I have come here for my exercise as well as for making a blog video just for continue it, guys. You know that when I go anywhere for keeping my body fit or for doing any kind of work, that I think that if I make a blog video, it will also be a practice, one kind of practice, guys. Or you know very well, you're also doing this type of work. You always think that every single day we have to make a blog video for our enhancing spoken English. Just I'm doing this type of work. But I think that if you continue it, if you do, it will be very best to your life, to your spoken English. If you don't do it, so you'll forget your native language, and you'll do it, and definitely you'll be able to speak in English like the native speaker. But one more thing I'd like to share with you guys that I won't be able to say you about the suggestion, about the motivation. But as I'm a little girl, I'm a beginner as well. I'm a learner, English learner, you can say. But I'm saying, but one more else I'd like to say you guys that I just suggest you to make a blog video every single day. Never give up. Just keep making blog video more and more. When you'll make video more and more every single day, there's no gap in a whole day or in a week, in a year, then you can think that definitely when I go anywhere, it is a park, it is a place, it is so unfamiliar to me. But in that place, you can speak in English in front of the people. But you think you have a hesitation as well, you can't speak in English, because when you stay at your home, then you feel better, you don't feel hesitation, you have a confidence as well. When you don't go anywhere, then you think it's better, it's a better shelter for me. But you have to think that if I speak English by myself, by my tongue, and in my house, so what will be the profit? There's no profit, guys. Just in front of the whole country, in front of the whole people, you have to speak in English. Just never give up. And one more interesting and one more important to us, that we have to speak in English in front of the camera. It's also important. First, when I was a beginner at that time, it was a difficult task for me, but day by day I have maintained it, I have tolerated it. That is why now I have no problem, now I have no any kind of hesitation to make this type of video. But one thing it come will, that when I leave it, when I drop it, that time I will hesitation that some of gaps has come. That is why I didn't make video. That is why you feel also bored. And now when I think that I don't make video for a single day, that I also feel boring, that which things I doing for my schedule. But I will suggest to you, just every single day you will upload your video. When your video will be increased, I just make video in a single day one. But when you think that is so needed for you, that you have to also make video, then you can make video more and more. That video you'll choose, or you can upload there. Alright, guys, those who are so studious person, I'm not saying that I'm not a studious person. I always stay at my house, but I think that when you will studious person, it's okay, but you have to sometime also make a blog video, or you can speak with your partner. So as I have come here, I'd like to say you something about this field, because it's a paddy field. You know, paddy is our main crop in our country, in our Bangladesh country. So it's a major project for us. And the farmer, they're so proud for our country because they're cultivating this type of food. Otherwise, this is our main food as well, rice. So we have to acknowledge it, confess it, because if farmer don't cultivate it, so from here we'll get rice, and how will I go our destination, and how will I live our life? It's impossible to us. But some of things we have to export, import as well. But in our country, we have to cultivate it. If you think that it is needed for us, for our daily life, we have to do this type of activity, or like this way, you can go anywhere, you can make video. This type of video will so encourage to improve your communication skill and improve your spoken English as well. So never give up. Just keep making blog video, keep speaking every single day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't feel boring, just keep doing. So goodbye. Oh, I have forgot to say you, don't forget to follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Bye bye.